This tutorial guides you through uploading a Schedule K-1 using the Prompt.tax AI assistant. You will learn how to create a new session, enter partnership details, and review recommendations for accurate filing. Begin by clicking the main menu on the dashboard to access available features. Click the K-1 Generator option to open the Schedule K-1 creation tool within the application. Click Yes, Create New Session to start a new Schedule K-1 generation process. Click the field labeled Ask a Question or Describe Your Partnership to input partnership information. Enter your partnership address, city, state, and zip code, along with updated partner allocations and capital account details. Click the indicated button to continue to the next stage of the Schedule K-1 upload process. Click Recommendations 1 to review suggested actions or corrections for your Schedule K-1 data. Click Continue to review to finalize and verify the Schedule K-1 before submission. You have successfully uploaded a Schedule K-1 by creating a new session, entering partnership details, and reviewing recommendations. Next, you can proceed to finalize and submit your Schedule K-1 or explore additional tax form options within the Prompt.tax AI assistant.